today's video, I am going to share with you 3 lazy ways to make money online with artificial intelligence. These methods are proven and they are realistic. So let's dive in. But before we get started, feel free to check out my Substack newsletter where I share tips to stay happy and motivated always. So the first method is transcribing with AI tool. Websites like ref.com allow you to transcribe audio files and you'll be able to earn up to $1 per minute. But the laziest part is you don't have to transcribe it yourself. Let me show you how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is to sign up on ref.com, obtain audio files that need transcribing, then upload these files to an AI transcription tool and let AI do the work of converting them into text. Then you want to submit the text back to ref.com and get paid for it. You want to consider using AI tool like Otter AI to correct errors, grammatical errors, and to rephrase the audio file grammatically. By doing this, you'll be able to maintain a high rating and you'll be able to get more customers to work with. One thing I want you to know is that you need to choose longer audio files for you to transcribe, because the longer audio files you choose, the higher money you are going to earn from ref.com. Rukkyrich is also a good one to transcribe audio to text file and audio to different languages. So you can always go on the internet and make other research on websites that allow you to transcribe audio to text. You don't even have to understand what it is that you are transcribing. All you have to do is to look for podcast audio files on ref.com and transcribe them into text using the power of AI, doing it automatically and not manually. The second method is you want to sell AI generated stock images. Websites like Wirestock allow you to sell AI generated videos and images just like this. So here is how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is to use free AI tool like Leonardo AI to create stunning images and videos. Make sure that you provide a good prompt for Leonardo AI to generate really high quality stock image for you to use and sell and earn money from it. The second thing you want to do after generating a high quality image from Leonardo AI is to take it and sell it on websites like Wirestock that allow you to sell AI generated images and artwork and get paid for it. You can also make use of other platforms like Shutterstock and Pixel to sell your AI generated images and get paid for it. Because the wider audience you reach, the higher opportunity for you to make sales and get paid for it. Now, the reason why you want to consider this lazy way to make money online is that people use stock images every day. I use stock image for my videos every time. People are always searching for so many stock images. We have high demand and limited stock available. So if you can consider this lazy way to make money online, trust me, you'll be able to make money from it, and I wish you good luck on that. Now the third way is Faceless YouTube Channel. Now the reason why this method is very lazy and you don't have to stress yourself at all is that, let's say for example you are someone that do not want to compromise your privacy by showing your face, then consider a faceless YouTube channel, or you don't even have much time to put into it. For example, recording video physically. First thing you want to do is to choose a niche that is of high pay and trending niche at the same time. After you've chosen a niche, then go to ChatGPT to generate scripts for you based on this particular niche that you chose. Then the second thing you want to do is to go to 11 labs that allow you to generate human-like voiceover for your video. After that, you want to go to InVideo AI, take the script that ChatGPT has generated for you, take the voiceover that 11 Labs has generated for you, then go to InVideo AI that require you to pay a little amount of money to access the website and the app. So what you want to do is to take both and go to InVideo AI, then generate a video for your Faceless YouTube channel. Let's say for example this particular topic I am talking about, I don't want my face to show. I want it to be a Faceless YouTube channel. These are the steps that I will follow and I will get the same results from it. And the next thing you want to do is to go to Canva and generate thumbnail, because at the end of the day your thumbnail is the first thing that people will see when they want to check your video. So you want to generate a thumbnail for your video. And lastly, you want to create more than one channel in order for you to be able to generate multiple income. I have more than one channel and I am talking from experience and it works for me perfectly. You want to upload your videos to YouTube and monetize through YouTube AdSense, that is the ads that show before someone watch your video. Secondly, through sponsorship, and thirdly, through affiliate marketing. Whatever niche it is that you are focusing on, make sure that it is something that you can monetize in these 3 different ways, and at the end of the day you can always sell your YouTube channel in the future. But one thing I want you to know is that even if these 3 steps are lazy and convenient way to make money online compared to normal 9 to 5 job, or people that are always working hard to make money. I want you to know that you have to put in effort, you have to be consistent, you have to have passion for it, and you have to be focused, okay? Even if you are working from the comfort of your home, you still want to be focused and have it at the back of your mind that your goal is to make money from whatever it is that you are doing. And I wish you good luck. If you make it to the end of the video, then I have a free tip for you. Whatever it is that ChatGPT has generated for you, make sure that you read it through and you change some words, because you don't want to be flagged copyright, and at the end of the day you won't be able to monetize your channel. So I wish you good luck in anything that you are doing. So if you have any question, or if you want me to emphasize on any of these 3 methods, then let me know. Drop a comment below. I am always in my comment section. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you love this video. Share this video to anyone that needs to see this video, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. So I wish you good luck, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.